S-Wallet platform, which is the best financial aggregator. On this aspect of this webinar, we'll be talking about the cryptocurrency trends as it relates to S-Wallet. So, but before we go to the trends, as we have here that we have some participants who may not be very familiar with cryptocurrencies and the blockchain network, I would like to, like definitely we cannot demystify the whole concept of blockchain and cryptocurrency in this webinar because of time factor. However, we can discuss about some basic stuffs regarding cryptocurrency before we talk about the trends in these present times. So just as an overview, what is cryptocurrency? Well, cryptocurrency is actually a digital currency designed to work as a medium of exchange through a computer network that is not reliant on any central authority, such as the government or bank, to uphold or maintain it. Individual coin ownership records are stored in a digital ledger, which is a computerized database using strong cryptography to secure transaction records, to control the creation of additional coins, and to verify the transfer of coin ownership. Some crypto schemes use validators to maintain the cryptocurrency. In a proof of stake model, in the staking aspect, owners put up their tokens as collateral, and in return, they get authority over the token in proportion to the amount they staked. So generally, these token stakers get additional ownership in the token over time via network fees, newly minted tokens, or other such reward systems. A cryptocurrency is a tradable digital asset or digital form of money built on blockchain technology that only exists online. Cryptocurrencies use encryption to authenticate and protect transactions, hence the name. There are currently over 1,000 plus different cryptocurrencies in the market in the world today, and we do not know what the future holds for this number. Over the last few years, crypto prices have risen and fallen periodically, as we have seen over time. Now, an overview of what the cryptocurrency wallet is that a cryptocurrency wallet is a device or a program that stores your cryptocurrency keys and allows you to access your coin. It contains a public key, which is the wallet address, and your private key needed to sign crypto transactions. Many crypto wallets can be used to store key for different cryptocurrencies, which is called a multi-currency wallet, like what S-Wallet is as of today. There are the crypto wallet in general. There are two main types of wallets. We have the custodial and the non-custodial wallet. As for the custodial wallet, they are hosted by a third party that stores your key for you, while the non-custodial wallet are hosted by a wallet in which you take responsibility for securing your own key. This is the type that most cryptocurrency wallets on devices are. Then there are two subcategories of wallet. We have the hot wallet and we have the cold wallet. For the hot wallet, it has a connection with the internet or to a device that has a connection. And as for the cold wallet, they do not have any connection whatsoever. There are other subcategories, but all falls into these main categories and subcategories. Then wallets in their many forms and functions are the indispensable cornerstone of the blockchain and decentralized services market. Despite their high degree of penetration in the market, most most wallets available today suffer from a host of limitations that do not allow them to become mainstream among a vast majority of users, especially those unfamiliar with blockchain technology and the digital currency. So that's just an overview of what the cryptocurrency or the wallet is. There are other aspects of it, but we cannot take them because of time factor. So let's move down to the topic of discussion, which is the cryptocurrency trends of today. So as we all know, that the crypto has showed itself to be the most rapidly innovating industry in the world as new technologies, protocols, and ideas continue to emerge, especially in the NFTs, which is the non-fungible token, and the decentralized finance sectors. It also showed that it remains highly volatile. Its volatility has been surfacing itself in recent times, in which some of us received the shock of our lives in the crypto space just recently. As of 5th May 2022 this year, the crypto asset Terra, also known as Luna, was trading at $80. Then on the 7th of May, just 2 days after, USD pegged against the US dollar started falling on all crypto platforms across the globe. On the 9th May last month, its value had fallen to about 35 cents only. Had fallen to about 35 cents after a massive sell-off. On the other hand, then Luna lost all its value and fell to almost zero, and with so many zeros in points. This sell-off in one single core coin, it now triggered a broad sell-off in the crypto market globally, and investors started pulling out their money from crypto assets and parking their money in safer ones like gold investments. Sorry about that. I said, although after this crash, the makers of Terra Chain came up with a revival plan, but looks like this is also a big fail for makers as well as the investors. So in the past week, if you look at the Bitcoin, it plunged below $20,000. And as this time of making this video is about $19,800 US. That's one Bitcoin. While Ethereum, on the other hand, is about $1,058. As we have also seen that Ethereum is also in the trenches, as it amounts to 36 a decrease over the last week.
Trenches.
Other crypto that took a price hit of 30% or more this week includes the private coin Monero, the Chronos, and also Polygon, which went down to about $0.36, which amount to about 33% a decrease of its price or value. Each of the 30 biggest cryptocurrencies, except the stable coins, have fallen by double-digit percentages since last week. Although the USDT, which is the Theta, is currently trading a little short of its peg at $0.99. The question that might be hovering in the mind of our viewers now is that how has this S-Wallet utility token, the SWP, fared in this shaky crypto market? First things first, SWP, which is the token for S-Wallet, is currently trading at 1.17 US dollars at CoinMarketCap if you check it right now. At the time of making this video, which is 19th June 2022. Although the all-time high was about 1.5 US dollars, it has shown remarkable resilience even in the falling crypto markets. When you have a look at its chart of about maybe 30 days ago, it was around $1.04. Its growth rise has been slow but definitely steady. It never fell below that since then. Even the 7 days chart, which signified which was around this the stormy period in the crypto world as a whole, where all the big coins are falling, it has stood the test of time. Remember, this is a coin with a total supply of about 50 million, a total cap of about $58.6 million, the volume of about $103.5 thousand dollars. Other crypto world trends, especially in the that's for the SWP. So just as an overview, other crypto world trends, especially in this year, that is what mentioning the Web3, which signifies the read, write, and owning, which is talking about decentralization, is growing and growing. So also we have the crypto as custodial evolution. There's more and more people, more countries are upholding the cryptocurrency trend. Then one important aspect of the trends in these recent times is the NFTs, which is the non-fungible tokens, and the gaming space. Now the gaming space is gaining massive turnout, where people like before, people play game just for fun, but now they realize they can be playing game in the crypto space and still be earning, which is a wonderful idea. Then now, having said this, promotionally, I urge to invest and trade with S-Wallet protocol because it is reliable, because of its reliability, security, and efficiency. When you do your own research, best traders, when you do your own research, you will find out that I have a backing for saying all this, not just lip services. And you will definitely thank me later when you invest or trade with this platform because of the factor at hand. So at this point, we just talked about the cryptocurrency trends and how it relates to the S-Wallet. Juncture, we would like to give the podium to other people that wants to say something about this S-Wallet. For example, Vincent, are you ready to give us what you have? He wasn't around when we called his name, so I guess he's around now. So Vincent.
Please, it seems you didn't on. He off his mic. Please on his mic. Yeah? It seems you didn't on his mic. Please, his mic is off. Hello, can you hear me? His mic is off. Please try and on it. Hello. Hello.
Vincent, we can hear you. Go on. We can't hear you. We can't hear you. I think he's having some technical issues. So, any other person that wants to say his part or that we missed that didn't talk about his part should talk about it.
Yes, please, I would like to say something.
Yes, go on.
Okay, can I talk? Okay. Good evening, everyone. I'm Abubakar Baba Isa, as you all know, and AKA also known as at Abu Sadiq 2022. I'm an S-Wallet ambassador. Good evening, everyone. I would like to say starting new users and explain briefly a little about how it relates to cryptocurrency as a whole. On a general note, we know, as Hamza said, cryptocurrency means is just a means of accessing data, making transactions, storing it in the form of blocks that are usually interconnected. And this leads to formation of a blockchain ecosystem. But however, in order to ensure security and simplify making numerous transactions on websites, a wallet system is being developed. And this is what the link between cryptocurrency and S-Wallet. Likewise, there is a problem of multiple passwords and keys arises. And also different wallets support different tokens, as you all know. So therefore, S-Wallet opportunity to provide solution for this problem. How does S-Wallet do that? Is by forming a multi-currency wallet that support a variety of tokens, as we all know, such as the BEP20 and the TRC20. And this wallet is seldom to hack and other form of insecurities because of the two-factor authentication, KYC, Touch ID, and Face ID. So to conclude, I would like to say that S-Wallet is the best financial aggregator that I know that provides numerous blockchain solutions, which are reliable and scalable. Hence, we can say it promotes simple, powerful, and affordable wealth management by a single click to the S-Wallet web or app. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I think it's the
Hello. Yeah.
program.
Hello. Please, can you hear me now?
I can hear you.
Yeah. Oh, this is Vincent.
Okay, brother, I think we are ending the program now. Don't worry if you don't get a chance to speak.
I can do it in less than 80 seconds, sir. Hello.
Okay, go on.
Okay. Can I go on?
Yeah,
Okay, my name is Vincent. I am S-Wallet ambassador. I will be talking about why I choose S-Wallet. S-Wallet is a crypto wallet that gives access to storing, receiving, and sending of the digital currency. S-Wallet was created to address the issues and to build an effective confidence link between the digital and traditional economics. S-Wallet, why I choose S-Wallet is that S-Wallet, in terms of security, it has two-factor authentication that serves its users from anyone getting using your wallet in your absence without your permission. So for you to log in with your S-Wallet, you have to receive an OTP will be sent to you, a registered email linked to your wallet. And also, S-Wallet has speed. The cross-chain exchange features of the S-Wallet program, as well as the user-friendly design, will allow for a smooth transaction and operation in both browser and mobile version. And also, it is multilingual. I have a friend that is staying in Asia, and he can use S-Wallet at its own convenience with any language of his choice. So with that, I think S-Wallet has a potential for anyone, be it a new user or an already existing user, to use it. Thank you.
for that. I think we're
Hello. And this thing now bastard. I was
Please, I would like
laughing.
you. We've come to the end of this wonderful presentation. I guess a lot of viewers will have found this very informative, and we urge others to hold this wonderful platform. We are still going to hold a podcast regarding S-Wallet, which I guess you all also will be present, and we hope it to be a success by the grace of God. So thank you, everyone. Thank you for your time, and thank you for your input.
Sorry, I'm
So
done.